Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into health, wellness, and all the little things you can do to upgrade your lifestyle. Today, I'm super excited because we're going to talk about a tiny seed that packs a huge punch. Chia seeds. You've probably seen them around in the grocery store or maybe heard people raving about them online. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what's the big deal with chia seeds? Well, trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to add them to your daily diet, and I'm going to give you 10 amazing reasons why. First things first, let's talk about nutritional value. Chia seeds are ridiculously nutrient-dense. For something so small, they're packed with all the good stuff. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 137 calories and give you a solid hit of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. We're talking nutrients that many people lack in their everyday diets. It's kind of like taking a multivitamin, but instead of swallowing a pill, you're sprinkling these little guys onto your meals. And because they're so nutrient-dense, you don't need to eat a ton to see the benefits. A small amount, like a spoonful in your smoothie, can deliver a big part of your daily nutrition without any hassle. Whether you're looking to get more healthy fats or increase your fiber intake, chia seeds have your back. Now, if there's one thing we all need more of, it's fiber, and chia seeds are like a fiber bomb for your digestive system. Get this, just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 10 to 11 grams of fiber. That's nearly half of the daily recommended intake for most adults. If you're someone who struggles with digestion issues like constipation or bloating, or even if you just want to keep your digestive system running smoothly, chia seeds are the perfect addition to your diet. Fiber helps things move through your intestines, but it's not just about avoiding constipation. Fiber plays a role in gut health too. Healthy digestion helps you absorb nutrients better, and that's key for overall well-being. Plus, because fiber helps you feel fuller longer, it can be a game changer for anyone trying to manage their weight, but more on that in a second. Now let's talk about your heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health, and chia seeds are loaded with them. In fact, chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3s, particularly ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which is one of the main drivers of heart disease, and they also support lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. So, if you're looking to support your cardiovascular system, chia seeds are an easy way to get that heart-healthy fat in your diet. Just think of it as a little investment in your heart's future. If you sprinkle them on your food, your heart will be saying, "Thank you." Alright, this next one is a big reason why so many people are turning to chia seeds. They help with weight management. Well, it all comes down to the fiber and hydration properties. Chia seeds expand when they absorb liquid, forming a gel-like consistency. If you add them to water, juice, or a smoothie, they bulk up and take up more space in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. This makes them a fantastic tool for appetite control. If you're someone who gets hit with those afternoon cravings, or if you tend to snack mindlessly, a chia seed snack can really help. The fiber in chia seeds slows down digestion, so you won't feel hungry again so quickly. Plus, because they help keep your blood sugar stable, they prevent those energy crashes that usually lead to unhealthy snacking. Speaking of blood sugar, this is another area where chia seeds truly shine. When you eat foods high in carbohydrates or sugar, your blood sugar levels spike, which can lead to crashes later, making you feel tired, sluggish, and craving more sugar. This roller coaster isn't just bad for your energy levels, it's not great for your health long-term either, especially for people with type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds can help stabilize your blood sugar levels because they're rich in fiber. When you pair chia seeds with your meals, they slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can prevent those sugar spikes and crashes. So, whether you're managing diabetes or just looking to avoid the dreaded post-lunch crash, chia seeds are a great ally. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Let's move on to one of my favorite benefits. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants. You've probably heard about antioxidants and how they're great for fighting off free radicals in your body. Well, chia seeds are an antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to aging and diseases like cancer. What does this mean for you? It means chia seeds can help slow down the aging process from the inside out. They help reduce inflammation, which can affect your skin, your immune system, and your overall well-being. If you're looking to keep that youthful glow and help your body fend off damage, incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine is a no-brainer. Ever heard the phrase, strong bones for life? Well, chia seeds are here to help you achieve just that. They're incredibly rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are key minerals for maintaining healthy bones. In fact, chia seeds provide more calcium per ounce than most dairy products. So, if you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or just looking to cut down on dairy, chia seeds are a fantastic alternative to keep your bones strong. Calcium is crucial for more than just bone health. It's also important for muscle function and nerve signaling. So by adding chia seeds to your diet, you're not only supporting your bones, but also your body's ability to function at its best. What's more, here's a fun fact. Aztec warriors used to consume chia seeds before heading into battle because they believed it gave them endurance and energy. And they weren't wrong. Thanks to their combination of protein, fats, and fiber, chia seeds provide a steady stream of energy that lasts much longer than the quick burst you get from sugary snacks or caffeine. They give you that slow, sustained energy, making them perfect for athletes or anyone who needs a boost throughout the day. So, instead of reaching for that second cup of coffee or a sugary snack when you feel that afternoon slump, try adding chia seeds to your diet. They'll give you that energy boost without the crash. One of the best things about chia seeds is just how easy they are to incorporate into your diet. They don't have a strong flavor, which makes them super versatile. You can toss them into smoothies, mix them into oatmeal, sprinkle them on salads, or even use them as a binding agent in baking. Chia pudding is a delicious option too. Just soak them in milk overnight, add some fruit, and boom, breakfast is ready. And last but not least, chia seeds can actually help with hydration. When you soak chia seeds in water, they absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid. This gel-like substance helps your body retain moisture, which is especially helpful during workouts or on hot days. They act like little water reservoirs in your stomach, keeping you hydrated longer. So, there you have it, folks. 10 incredible reasons to start adding chia seeds to your daily diet. These tiny seeds might not look like much, but they bring a whole lot of benefits to the table. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've already tried chia seeds or if you're thinking of adding them to your routine. Let me know how you use them. I'd love to hear your creative ideas. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.